Hello, this is going to be a quick video on how to get to your recovery tools in Windows 7. So first turn it on. During this process, before it loads to the Windows, you have to hold F8. Not sure if you could see, but click on repair your computer. Press enter, wait for it. Might take a while. Alright, there we go. Just click next. Choose the user, then put in the password. Do that secretly. And there you have it. Here's your tools. You click on Startup Repair. I'll cancel that. System Restore, System Image Recovery, Windows Memory Diagnosis, and Command Prompt. There you go.